Hello and welcome to the pressure and temperature of a gas with Dr. Ahmed Eid, your chemistry guide. Today, we will be looking at the relationship between gas pressure, temperature, and the movement of gas particles. We will describe the effects if temperature and the pressure changed on the volume of gas. Also, we will explain in terms of kinetic particle theory the effect of temperature and the pressure on the volume of gas. First, let's understand that gas pressure. Gas pressure, when you blow up a balloon, you are filling this balloon with air particles. These particles collide with each other and hit the sides of the balloon, the wall of container, exerting pressure on it. This pressure is what keeps the balloon inflated. So when you blow up a balloon, you fill it with air particles. They collide with each other and also hit the sides of the balloon from inside and exert pressure on it. This pressure keeps the balloon inflated. Gas pressure is created by the atoms or even molecules of the gas hitting the walls of their container. So we can say that the pressure of gas is produced by atoms or molecules of gas hitting the walls of the container. Also, we can say that the relationship between temperature and the pressure is the key concept. As the temperature of gas increases, the pressure also increases. So gas pressure increases by increasing the temperature of gas. Look at this one. Hot plate is off, pressure is low. Hot plate on medium, pressure is on medium. And hot plate on high pressure at the same time. This happens because when the temperature rises, the particles energy of particle increases, causing them to move faster. The faster the particles move, the more frequently they hit the container's walls. More frequent collisions lead to a greater pressure. So let's say it again. When temperature increases, the particles energy increases also. Thus, the particles move faster. The faster they move, the more they hit the walls of the container. The more they hit the walls of the container, the greater the pressure. Now, let's tackle some practice questions. The question says, the pressure of a sample of gas is decreased. The temperature is kept constant. Take care. Pressure decreased and temperature kept constant. Which law describes the effect on the particles? Take your time. When the temperature is kept constant, the speed of particles does not change. So when we talk about movement of particles, we can exclude A and B, not change in speed. The speed of particles does not change. Since the pressure is decreasing, the collisions between the particles must occur less often. This means the correct answer is C. Collisions occur less often. No change in speed, as the temperature kept constant, and the collisions occur less often. It cannot be collisions occur with more force. How? Pressure is decreased. Another question. Which conditions cause gas particles to move fastest, and farther apart? Tricky question. Take your time. Gas particles move fastest at high temperature. So we are talking about high temperature. We can exclude room temperature. And to be farthest apart, the gas need to be under low pressure, high temperature and low pressure. So the correct answer is C, high temperature and low pressure. Got question? A gas is heated, the pressure is kept constant. Which statement describes the behavior of particles of gas? Take your time. When a gas is heated, the particles move faster. Particles move faster. So we can exclude C and we can exclude D also. When a gas is heated, the particles move faster. Since the pressure is kept constant, remember the pressure is kept constant, the volume of the gas must increase to keep the number of collisions within or with the container walls the same, pressure kept constant. So this means the particles will move farther apart, So the correct answer is considered as B. Again, when a gas is heated, the particles move faster. Since the pressure is constant, the volume of gas must increase to keep the number of collisions with the container walls the same pressure. This means the particles will move farther apart by increasing the volume. So the correct answer is considered as B. The particles move faster and become farther apart, not closer together, because they move faster. Thank you for joining me today for this session. For more questions, you can contact me on WhatsApp via this link, or even you can send your question in a comment. Goodbye and good luck.